everyone. Ça va? That means you're doing okay in French. Okay, so now I'm at the, it was hard, I gotta tell you. This wall with this curve, you see this curve? I'm telling you, this is not easy to do. As you see, I'm at 3/4 of this wall. It's pretty okay, because considering there's a big bump here, so I don't know what I'm gonna put here at the end, but I'll figure it out. It's behind my kitchen, so this is how it looks. I did also this little corner that I'm gonna put like a molding or something right there too. That's what I'll do, because it's not absolutely not straight. And in the joints I'll put some wood, wood filler right there, just to hold everything up. And then I'll come with the power gun. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 places. I think it's enough. The wood behind there is very solid. It doesn't move at all. Here, you must wonder what I do. Okay, this one I have to do it, and I have it here. You see this? This is like a 2-side Velcro. So I'm gonna take the glue off of the back and glue, and then I'm gonna put this in between here, and that's what holds my planks to the. I didn't want to put any wood there because it's already very out. I cannot be more out, because this is going to be like ridiculous. Already here there's a big bump, I don't even know what I'm going to put here to fill this up, but I will manage, because the rest of it is very okay, and it's quite straight, as you might see. Guys, oh, what a beautiful night. It's really nice here. Look at the lake. That's where I'm working. And this is Florida. Nice. It's nice here. It's nice, but I want to see my kids. I want to travel, check the coastal areas, just to see the world. All right, so keep your spirit healthy. Get rid of all these thoughts, bad thoughts, all the rat race stuff and all the lives happening. Just be happy. Just enjoy this beautiful world while we're on earth to do this. Okay, so have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow, and I'm gonna try to start that other box and that other wall. Bye. My shelf is going all the way down to here, all the way up to down to here, so I'll be fine, I think. Okay, so I'm going to put my little Velcro here at the end. That's what's holding the whole thing so far. And then I'm going to continue with another plank. And I'm going to stop. Then I'm going to turn around here and do my box. Like Dave helped me do this one. Yeah, I'll do the box, and I'm going to start the wall. But I will start from there to the box to use the nicest planks I have. Of course, I got to do all this, fill this with wood, so the same thing as the other side. And I used a lot of, and you see there are pieces of wood like this, so you try to shim them. That's the word, shims. I think it's going to be a little easier this way, but you see this little bump here? It's not easy, but you see it can be done. And the floor is done, so it's really the walls and the ceiling that's going to be more difficult, and I have to also figure out where I'm going to pass those wires for the fans and also for the solar panels. Okay guys, I'm at the dealer, so I'm at Jumbo Auto. They were really nice. And I'm going to leave my van here all day and go to Hollywood to you know, just to hang out with a friend of mine. She's coming with her bike a little later because I didn't want to hit traffic, so I'm here early. And I'm gonna leave my van here and just go enjoy myself. I got my electric bike in the back, and that's my old one. But I'm gonna get a new one, a folding one to put in my van, and I'm gonna work also on the van until they put the car in the garage. So that's my agenda for now. Okay, guys, and this is Hollywood Beach by Hollywood Boulevard, and this is a like a bike path and a walk path of miles and miles with restaurants and little boutiques. So it's really cool. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a tour and let you know what's going on. Okay, here's my friend, and we're gonna go out all day on the bike and have fun at the Hollywood. And I retract myself. Yes, it's $10 for the whole day until 7:30 because of COVID, but I think it's open later usually. It's $10 to get in. There's a, like, it's far, but there's a booth, and there's a girl that lets you come in. I think it's a better deal, just $10 all day, and you don't have to worry about a thing. And you can stay here with your van and enjoying the path, enjoying the beach, and put your rig in the shade, or if you need the solar, in the sun. So, okay, we're gonna have a good day with my friend Pam. So, bye-bye. We'll talk to you later. So this is how Hollywood Beach with its bike path, and they have showers every 100 feet. Beautiful showers, like up in the middle and for the feet. It's really cool. So I'm really it's really cool. We're together with my friend and we're enjoying this beautiful beach. It's like picture perfect. And this is Hollywood, Florida. And we are not too far. It's between Sheridan Street and Hollywood Boulevard, the boardwalk where it is. So you can park either at both extremity, but Sheridan is $10 for the whole day. So I think Sheridan is a better deal. So guys, after a half a day at the beach, get the van back. It's all repaired. It's crazy good. And this is the place, Jumbo Auto Truck Plaza. They really took care of me good. And this is the place. And here's the boss of this place. Here you go. If you need a car, if you need a truck, if you need a van, this is the guy to come and see. In Florida and Hollywood. And this is Murphy, my sales guy. So that's this is the place where to come and get your truck. Okay, to convert, they will be very nice to you.
Have no fear, Jumbo is here.
Exactly. Okay.